Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. This is another video of what TF did I order. This showed up with other packages that I ordered from eBay, but I don't know what this is. So we are going to find out together. And hopefully I'm not cutting whatever's inside. Let's shorten the blade just in case. That didn't do anything. There we go. Almost doesn't count. Oops, shoot. Okay. That was close. Alright, y'all. Let's see what's inside of the label box. Beautiful packaging. Oh, cuteness, y'all. So, this is I don't know if it will quite fall on the vintage category, but it is definitely an older. Sorry about the bag being so loud, but they have it packaged so well and cute. It's definitely an older print. I think it's called Graffiti, possibly. So it is Dooney Bourke, as you can see. And y'all, these items, I bidded on them separately. They sold them separately, but I actually saw that it was the same seller. So I'm glad I was able to get both of them to make an actual pretty set. And this is a perfect accessory for Accessory August. So I will include that hashtag in this video. This is so pretty. It's like they kept it really clean. You know how sometimes the pictures aren't always true, or there's something that doesn't come up in the pictures that you can see via the pictures compared to in person. But it's a little wear on it. Like you can tell, it's like a little wear on the leather there. But overall, for the age of this, which I know it has to be probably pretty close to 10 years old, it looks really good. It does have the multicolored zipper. That is so cute, and it matches the exterior. The inside, it does have a slip pocket. It has the Dooney Bourke label there inside as well. Overall, it's pretty clean. So not too bad on the wristlet. And this can be used, depending on how skinny your arm is, you can put it over your shoulder. In my case, I will be using it as a wristlet or just an insert in the bag itself. Let's check out the purse. And I can definitely appreciate plastic protection on the purses, because I have received some that were pretty much just laying in the box. And again, I'm sorry for the noise, but this is that hard plastic, so. Okay, so this is the satchel to match. And it too is also pretty clean inside. Let me put some stuff in it after I look in it so it'll stand up. Inside, it has the vachetta leather trim around the slip pocket, which has a snap there. Leather key keeper. And I'm guessing this is the back side with the zipper pocket. There. Not bad. I do smell a little bit of faint smell of perfume, but it doesn't smell bad or anything. That just means it was used. And let's see how it looks stuffed. Love that Dooney Bourke leather hang tag. Let's put some stuff in it and see how it fits up. And I believe this is Italian coated cotton. And I might try to pause the video and Google to see if I can find out the exact name of this collection and print also. So all in all, y'all, this is very cute, and I think this is a great addition. I actually like these colors. The base of it is more kind of like an off-white color. So very colorful and springy, but as always, you can carry a Dooney and Bourke bag any season, anytime, regardless of the color. How cute is this, y'all? Look at the zipper. So it's just like the wristlet. Everything matches. The handles also look pretty good. It does have like that Bordeaux glaze on the handles. No really like harsh water marks or anything like that. So let's see how it looks stuffed. It does not have a Dooney and Bourke plate or anything like that on the outside. And let's look at the bottom. It's clean on the bottom. They maybe only carried this a handful of times. It does have 4 feet. So this is a pretty good size satchel. It's a little discoloration there, but nothing too bad or noticeable. But that is cute, y'all. I'm glad I took the chance and placed a bid on both of these and actually won both of these. So, and it came with the strap too. So I can carry the strap with it. Which I usually do leave the strap on my purses, even if I know I'm going to carry it as a top handle carry. I still leave a strap on it. Most of the time I do. But that's cute, y'all. Comment below, let me know if y'all have this particular throwback print, or if y'all remember when it came out. And I'm gonna say it's the graffiti print. I may, if I find it, I'll post it in the description or pin the comment of what it's really called. Or like I said, put it in the description. But all in all, another great find on eBay, Dooney and Bourke find. And it's a throwback find. So that's a pretty set, y'all. I like it. Let me know if you all like it. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. As always, you all, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.